2026 just changed the game. These are not ordinary gadgets. They are the kind of innovations that make you stop scrolling, lean in, and say, I need that right now. From AI-powered tools to pocket-sized tech that feels like science fiction, here are the top 10 must-see gadgets of 2026. Let's get into it. Number 10. Opula. Opula is not just a coffee table, it is a full mini PC workstation hiding in plain sight. A built-in 27-inch 4K HD screen, Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, Bluetooth 5.2 speakers, ambient LED lighting, adjustable height, and touchscreen controls turn your living room centerpiece into a hub for gaming, work, and media. Rich connectivity, thoughtful design, and genuine everyday practicality make it one of the most unique pieces of smart furniture available today. Early bird pledges start at around $999, surprisingly attainable for something this impressive. Number 9. Xtra Atto. At just 54 grams, the Xtra Atto action camera is proof that size means nothing when engineering is done right. A 1/1.3-inch sensor delivers crisp 4K 60 frames per second footage from hikes to daily moments without slowing you down. With 128GB built-in storage, a vision dock stretching battery life to 220 minutes, magnetic mounting, and 600 megabytes per second transfer speeds, it is built for creators who refuse to compromise on quality or convenience. At around $450, this is hands-free storytelling at its absolute finest. Number 8. Yarbo M. Outdoor chores just met their match. The Yarbo M is a fully modular yard robot that mows lawns, trims edges, collects leaves, and clears snow, all without perimeter wires thanks to AI-enhanced navigation and LiDAR mapping. Its track drive handles uneven terrain and steep slopes with confidence, while wireless fast charging keeps it running longer between breaks. No more weekends lost to yard work. Early Kickstarter pledges target around $1,899 with multiple mower variants available. The smartest yard assistant of 2026, and it does not take days off. Number 7. Owl 3D Shift. Imagine your screen coming to life with real spatial depth. No headset, no glasses, nothing extra required. The Owl 3D Shift is a 14-inch 4K UHD glasses-free 3D display using advanced AI and eye-tracked auto-stereoscopic optics to make games, videos, photos, and streams genuinely pop. A 315 ppi Retina-class panel delivers stunning clarity, while full 3D format support adds genuine immersion to everything you watch or play. Early Kickstarter pricing starts around $399, making it one of the most exciting and accessible immersion gadgets releasing in 2026. Number 6. Meta Neural Band. Control your devices without touching them. The Meta Neural Band uses EMG sensors to read tiny muscle signals directly from your wrist, translating subtle movements into scrolling, clicking, and navigating completely hands-free. Up to 18 hours of battery life, water resistance, and a comfortable multi-size fit make it practical for daily wear. Bundled with Meta smart glasses at around $800, it sits at the premium end, but what it represents is priceless. The line between human intention and device control has never been this thin. Number 5. Fosi Audio MD3. Audiophiles, this one is for you. The Fosi Audio MD3 is a portable DAC and headphone amp that snaps magnetically onto compatible phones and delivers genuine hi-fi quality audio on the go. A flagship ESS 9039Q2M DAC, 4 OAmps, and ultra-low noise circuitry produce detailed, rich sound that transforms how music feels through your headphones. A 1.28-inch LCD rear display adds personality and utility in equal measure. At roughly $110 on Kickstarter, this is one of the most impressive combinations of performance, portability, and personality in personal audio right now. Number 4. Antigravity A1. One drone, every angle, no missed moments. The Antigravity A1 packs a dual-lens 8K 360-degree camera into a compact 249-gram airframe, capturing a complete visual sphere in a single flight. Vision goggles with a motion-based grip controller let you point and fly intuitively, while up to 39 minutes of flight time keeps the action going. The drone stitches footage in real time. You fly first and frame later. Bundles start around $1,599 to $1,999. For content creators who want cinematic perspective from the sky, this changes everything about aerial storytelling. Number 3. Mileseey Gene Pro. Golf just got a serious upgrade. The Mileseey Gene Pro G1 combines GPS course mapping with laser rangefinder precision in one premium device. A bright 2.13-inch AMOLED touchscreen comes preloaded with over 43,000 global courses. No phone, no subscription, no hassle. Smart slope calculations, dynamic yardage to front, center, and back of every green, and a 600-yard flag lock with plus or minus 0.5-yard accuracy give golfers the confidence to plan and execute every shot better. At around $500 and wrapped in an IP65 weatherproof body, this is the on-course tool serious golfers have been waiting for. Number 2. CZUR. One device to replace every dongle, adapter, and hub on your desk. The CZUR transforms any display into a complete workstation by combining a mini PC, wireless screen mirroring, dual HDMI in and out, and simultaneous support for up to 9 connected devices. Phones, laptops, peripherals, all managed cleanly from a single compact unit. A built-in camera and multi-platform compatibility make it equally powerful for remote meetings, presentations, and creative production. Early Kickstarter pricing sits between $900 and $1,100. For professionals who demand a clean, powerful, and truly portable setup, this is it. Number 1. Nexus Cube. Simple idea, brilliant execution. The Nexus Cube is an infinitely foldable, precision-machined metal cube that houses a complete dice set from D4 all the way to D100. No trays, no loose pieces, no mess. Whether you're deep in a tabletop RPG campaign or just need a satisfying desk fidget between tasks, the Nexus Cube delivers on both fronts with smooth motion and premium build quality. Early Kickstarter backing has averaged around $79. It's the most affordable gadget on this list, and honestly, one of the most satisfying things you'll hold in your hand all year. And that's your top 10 must-see gadgets of 2026, from a coffee table that runs Windows to a drone that captures 8K from every angle. The future arrived early, and it looks incredible. If this video gave you gadget envy, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us which one you're buying first. See you in the next one.